is very useful and informative and learned a lot.
Very good. Before I used to feel very less confident. Now I am more confident. I was about to start my practice. I feel I am more confident after this session. So it is very helpful. Sir told us like everything. We performed CPR manually here and we performed MI injections also. So it is very helpful.
My name is Dr. Dentistry and today I attended this workshop on Chairside crisis by Dr. Kanishk sir, and it was a very helpful workshop. Earlier I used to do any emergency used to come, I used to do under supervision, but after this workshop I feel very confident enough to attend any kind of emergency. Thank you, and I will really tell that everyone should really attend these workshops, quite useful.
We had a very comprehensive lecture about the emergencies, medical emergencies, more than that dental emergencies frequently encountered, what are most common ones. So it was a hands-on demo, everything was given. It was very useful. You should come and definitely attend this workshop.
Good evening, my name is Dr. Vijay Arya. I attended the Mastering Chairside Crisis workshop. Being a junior dentist, we might face difficulty in such emergencies that we have never encountered. So this workshop has been very helpful, and I also would like to recommend you to attend this workshop, and it will be quite helpful for you in your clinical practice. In today's workshop, we learned a lot about certain things that we might encounter in the dental clinical practice. In my point of view, I feel like it's very important and every dentist should know it. Thank you.